Hey, hi everyone. I'm Anup, and we are part of InLens AI, the team. And currently, I'm presenting the work called Mirror, uh, which is like a meeting intelligence platform, a multi-agent system that turns every kind of meeting into a structural intelligence. So Mirror is what we have built as a part of Agentathon uh, problem 5 submission. So I'll moving ahead. So what we did was, so the problem is like once the meeting ends, the decision and the actions, what was the visual features that people were having, and all those insights is getting lost in chat only. I mean, only the transcript or the text is what we get in the output. So, and also sometimes if people are taking manual notes which are kind of slow and biased, so today's different tools only gives the words or the text, but not taking into considerations the visual features, uh, and how things were interacted at the visual time. So that's what the target is like. So we are kind of like presenting our work called Mirror. So it has 11 agents that work together. 5 are kind of like required from the problem statement itself, and 6 we added to enhance the system. So every action and decision is linked back to the transcript, so there is no hallucination as such. Moving ahead. So the we are having kind of like same agent layer, but there are two different approaches. One is called offline, another one is called real time. So offline is like where meetings are already done and you upload a recording, and transcript is kind of like optional, we transcribe it, no worries in that. uh, and then the output is like a dashboard and a downloadable PDF, which will take around about 30 seconds for a 3-minute clip. This is what the this is the kind of like artifact the people share, like wiki, tickets, or email. There is another version to the same problem. It's called real time, where meetings happening right now. You the live video stream and the dashboard keeps updating with somewhat like 10 to 15 seconds maybe lag, can be there, or sometimes even on an average 2 seconds lag, and it shows the participant who is speaking, rolling summary, engagement, everything. And why both? Because the offline can give you the artifact, real time give you the awareness. So we build both, like these two approaches. Moving ahead. Now if you see, this is kind of like an high level architecture. More detailed is in the GitHub repo. So it's a kind of like same picture for both modes, where either offline or the real time, only the input changes. So input is like the orchestrator delegates and retries. 5 agents that are required from the agentanthon is like the whisper, summary, I mean the transcriber, summary, action, decision on some GPT based models. And there are 6 add-ons that we did, was like the vision, audio, text, engagement, each having their individual work. Vision uses a 3 voting kind of strategy. Like one vision call on the fuzzy frame is kind of like unreliable, so we shifted to the 3 voters kind of strategy. Everything flows into a context agent. It cite each items to a transcript and export a PDF or a JSON. All are based on the Compass APIs. Moving ahead. So these are the 5 required by the problem, which are transcribers, summary agents, and all, and that 6 behavioral thing that we have actually added in order to enhance the system. And moving ahead. So this slide, basically, if you see what happens when you drop any, when you go into this platform, we ingest, record a recording or a live stream, orchestrator open a trace log, and then transcriber audio split into a 60-second MP3 chunks, and why chunking? Because the compass blocks, it generally gives some kind of like rate limitations, because we if we upload a larger block, then we analyze vision, audio, what is the pitch, energy, and all those things. So we have a vision where frame analysis, audio for the pitch kind of analysis, or the energy in that frequency of how syllable is spoken. And then text run in parallel. And vision uses 3 voters per frame for reliability. Then we have a structure is like a summary, action, decision, agents reads the transcript. Ground, kind of like context agent embeds and link every item to a transcript segment. And we have a ship, like ship in the sense that we just whatever the PDF or JSON or any Excel download that you want from the after the all the things are done. Moving ahead, with this is the command that you can try to run on either offline or inline, live in meeting. So, and all things are can be runnable and shown. I'll also, after the slides, I can show you the a short demo also. Moving ahead. So this is where what is kind of like current limitations and part to production is like currently diarization is best effort, so there is no Hugging Face token or a generic speaker, and is there, or LLM retry is kind of like thin, only one retry, no backup as of now, one SQLite file shared by the both the modes, only 16 unit test that I have tested. Part to production can be real diarizations, of course. That can be one of the way, and there can be more than three or more retry along with the backup on the LLM calls. Move to Postgres maybe on or some other data set, and the benchmark on the AMI or any kind of like data sets. So today demo is ready. I'll just jump on to the demo now. So I have few recorded demos here, and all things are already in the present in the GitHub. So we have an offline mode, we have an online mode, and how kind of report that is being generated. Let's start with the online mirror. The thing, I'll just fast forward it so everything is done in 2x speed. And so this is how the dashboard looks like, where you can either link something or upload any video. And this is a real-time intelligence, so we have a different features that we are actually seeing, like I detect emotions, body language, gesture, reactions, voice, and these are the different features that mirror provides, along with what is the weightage. Like I'm giving around 91% of the weightage to visual and audio features rather than the verbal, because most of the signals that is being generated is mostly out of facial, which is visual, or the audio, at what pitch or what energy people are speaking. 7% only weightage to the given to the verbal, and this is from the famous psychologist called Mehrabian, who have proposed this kind of model. So I have used that kind of model itself. We also detect the engagement flow, speaking distribution of a person, then live transcript will happen, summary and coaching and insights will also be happen. After that we can download the video or the PDF that we want. I will just now play the video.
Hey guys. Oh. Hello. So who else is going to join us?
So if you see, like, speaking distribution is getting populated and the live transcription is happening, and this is interesting, the cross signal patterns based on the different body postures or the emotions which is detected from the visual and audio features. Something is cross related, cross signal patterns that we are also taking insight out of it. Then engagement flow is combined or individual level, whatever we can see, like how person engagement in the entire meeting, each of this person is getting flown as the meeting progress. And the minimum engagement, I have coded it as a 30%, but this can be like changed also, no worries in that.
Okay, I get the internal bit. Although the it was organized by external people. Okay.
And this is the number of participant. If you count, there are 11 participant, each of name has been given. Suppose the meeting don't have a people name or a person name, then it will directly say person 1, person 2, person 3. But here we can also have a edit button of a person. If you can edit the person name also, there is a generate report which I can just download, and once the meetings end, we can generate the report about the entire meeting or download the video. There is a skill radar. Once you click any person name, you will have a 5 spider plots where how he is behaving on the engagement, sentiment, energy, report or clarity. We will have an insight about it.
Is that the kind of meeting that we speak freely in, or not yet?
So using the visual features, we are also detecting the body language, how person has been sitting, and there are different gestures and reactions also we are detecting. So if you see, there are some people are slightly head tilted, hands on hands not visible, or some people are having camera off. That will also detect, and along with some reactions of the person.
Okay. Why don't we
So neutral mouth, some people have raised eyebrows, neutral lips, everything that we are
do
detecting.
this?
This is where the voice analysis we are doing, the pitch, volume, rate, energy.
Well, do you mind just giving a few key dot points on what we've learned today?
And this is the currently till now what is the personality trait that we are able to figure out based on every insights that we are having currently, or every features that we are having. All things are based on the compass.
Just a quick update, and also give a quick update. And since we just got GitHub access, and yeah.
So as the meeting will progress, we will have everything keep moving and all everything. Let me go to the towards the end, where we will have something like a summary that is being generated, what the meeting was all about, and then we can also have some key topics that, and then we have also some insights about each of this person. Then when we click the in coaching, then we will have each person what coaching that we can provide based on whether they haven't interacted, so they will have more priority to keep interacting with the people more, kind of like this kind of stuffs that we can also give an insight about it. And we can generate a report. Like here I have clicked on generating report, it has downloaded, and I will show you the PDF report that is being generated. So this is kind of like PDF report. What is the participants, personality trait, coaching recommendations for each person, cross signals, critical moments, decisions, follow-ups, and everything will be coming up. So this is what the total insight about it. Now moving ahead, I'll also have show you the offline mirror, what offline mirror has. So offline mirror has kind of like where a different dashboard, which is kind of like offline in nature, where you need to upload the recorded meetings. I will just fast forward it, and once you, it will ask whether you have already have a transcript or you want to upload any transcript. Here I will say, just let's say transcribe it. So we are using some transcribing model, of course Whisper, and we will generate some meeting intelligence insights like detecting the participants, analyzing audio frames, and processing some audios, analyzing and everything. And after once everything is done, it will have a similar kind of dashboard what we have seen in the when we were doing the real-time analysis, and what are the critical moments, any what number of participants, and there are other things like whatever. And kind of like we get a overview, what is the meeting summary, and the coachings, what are the action item, decision follow-ups, and all everything will be visible to here. And what are the characteristics of each person, gesture, reactions, and everything. So this is how there are two parts of it, one is the online and one is the offline. In the real time you can also upload some videos, like, or any YouTube link, it will fetch and it will work on that. So that's all about the demo. Thank you.